Hey, I'm Dr. Kyle Konitz, owner and founder of Shift Health Center. And I just want to share a little bit of our messaging here and why we do what we do and some of the framework we've come across to get the excellent results that we get here. And when we first opened, 6 or so years ago, at the time of this recording, we helped a lot of people with a lot of different issues, and it was phenomenal, and we had a lot of fun doing it. But what we've really realized over the past few years is that we're really great and excellent at helping people with very specific conditions. So we've actually developed, based on research and clinical expertise over the last several years, very specific protocols for people that are suffering with spinal issues. So that includes low back pain, neck pain, headaches, and also people that are dealing with peripheral neuropathy or having issues losing weight. So those are really the things that we concentrate and focus in on, and we've actually developed something that we call the Shift Solution that's worked wonders for thousands of people. And so Shift Solution, it's actually an acronym for Shift, and what S stands for is specialized. That means that everything that we do here in our office is tailored and customized to the individual patient. Nothing that we do is cookie cutter. We don't do the same thing for every person. H stands for help and support. So we are constantly there helping and supporting our patients along the way. We have things like 24/7 text lines that they can text in at. We have different re-examinations along the way. We're in constant communication with our patients so we can continue to help and support them. I stands for inflammation reduction. We know for people to heal, they have to have an internal environment in their body with low inflammation so the body can actually undergo the healing process. And also to reduce pain levels, inflammation has to be lowered. F stands for function, and we are all about functional recovery. What we've realized is it isn't just about somebody's low back hurting, it's what is that low back pain keeping them from doing? Is it keeping them from golfing like they wanted to do in their retirement? Is it keeping them from hanging out with their grandkids? All of these different things that we want to evaluate. Is the neuropathy in their feet stopping them from taking that trip with their family every year? So we want to see a functional recovery, which means not just masking symptoms, but actually improving people's lives for the long term. And then T stands for tissue regeneration and remodeling. So we use things like soft wave therapy and mirror image traction to actually regrow tissue. We can actually regrow tendons, ligaments, blood vessels, nerves, especially from a neuropathy standpoint. And from a spinal rehab standpoint, we can actually remodel ligaments using chiropractic biophysics and reforming the shape of the spine so that we get permanent correction. So this is our framework. This is what we've developed, and it's the Shift Solution. I invite you to come on in and see what the Shift Solution can do for you and be our next testimonial.